Hey guys, today we're going to be video with slime. As I have a tray so it doesn't fall out. Okay, so let's get to the first one, which is fluffy slime. To me, it looks like Blue Dude was decapitated. Yeah, because it's like cyan, like it. But in the video, it looks like this, but it's actually like a cyan color to me. Well, it's actually like cyan, but you guys can't see it. Okay, I'll see it. That one looks like cyan. You can stretch it even more, just like an elbow. And there's this. To make it unsticky, you have to do this. Hey, Dad. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put that back in the box. And then the next one, which is Galaxy Slime. Extra bonus. Galaxy Slime can also glow in the dark. Extra bonus. I'm dropping this slime. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I think that's good. Now it's time for the Galaxy Slime. So once again, it's cyan again. And also, if you don't, I love my tooth. F this. Do the corners. Now do the other corners. And now we get to open it. Yeah, oh my God! What the heck? What the heck was that? Here's got that Galaxy Slime. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, this one's the one that sticks to you. Oh, that's the actual one that sticks to you, but you can actually lean it off. It's popping. It's popping. Oh! Kneading it softly. And is it bouncy? No, but it is really glowy. It's made of clear glue. Okay, put that back. For me, it looks like Blue Dude was decapitated. No Blue Dude harmed in this video. Bigger the Tic Tac. So I bought on this. Okay, I took the middle part. Okay, Now I just... Now we're gonna try out the Play-Doh. Oh, yeah, that one looks green to me, but for you it looks like Blue Dude was Captain. That one looks like to these slimes. See? This one looks green to me. Looks signed in to you. Just like no Blue Dude were in this video. I will that. Okay, this is the Play-Doh. Play-Doh. This is the first slime we did. And the sand is the yeah. Oh, that one went hard. No, that one went hard. Oh my god, it's over there. This one went hard. Ah. How much air was it extracted to? How much air? How? Whoa. Whoa. Parts away really fast. Yeah. I don't like that either. We added too much oil. It looks like this. Yeah, that's literally the same color. I'm not kidding. Yeah, that was terrible. So, that's the end of it, guys. Bye.